Hi guys, we bought a bunch. Hey guys, subscribe to my vlog, guys.
Yo, what's up, niggas?
Niggas dunking it in the shake.
Yeah,
Are they fresh? Okay, warm. Are we ready? Give me.
Alright. Y'all gotta say what y'all got. What you got?
Alright, so I got sausage biscuit, sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle. Man, these so good. These better than what they got.
Bro, pancakes mixed with all that.
I don't even know what I got. Oh, sausage McMuffin with egg.
Mmm.
Oh, and some, yeah.
Mmm. Open the hole, man.
Smack it, just smack it.
Oh, and I got caramel fried prey with extra caramel, and then this little boy got orange juice. Hey, why you didn't get no drinks? So no te fue que way.
I don't get the sandwich.
Look at that.
Like, we got water.
He don't got water. He always be taking my water, so I don't know what water he has.
I got your water.
This boy.
Yeah, we so fucking badasses.
I don't care, bro. We do this shit every morning. Well, I used to do it every morning.
Say goodbye, guys.
Is it good?
Listen.
Man, I know how good shit is.
Kim's.
Thank you. I'm a smart ass bitch.
So what came with us? What came?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
This is the one you got extra?
I know how it McGriddle tastes like.
Tell me, I'll tell you. Wait.
Whoa there. Whoa there, buddy.
Where the bag at? Where the bag at? What? Fuck with it. She fucking with the motion
Yeah.
tap.
But I forgot which one.
So I should have mixed my husband with the burger. I don't know. It's cool though.
Cause you fat.
You gotta post this?
Yeah. On YouTube.
Everybody got more sauce.
Yeah. I just got a little bit. Obviously. Yeah, you should subscribe. Yeah. You will be featured on that one.
Today in the future.
Anyways. Where the bag at?
Put the bag like right here, bro.
So, yeah. Come.
Put it like right here.
Here you go.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be.
Ah, pero si soy yo, estás chingue el pinche palo.
What y'all doing, man? What y'all doing over there?
He took a bite of my thing, but then he be taking a piece of my garlic bread.
Let me holler at that. Let me holler at that.
Bro, last time I gave you my chicken strip, bro, from Cane's.
Me vale madres. But yo compré like a little bitch. Nah, espera.
No, I'm good.
I fucking too.
I'm good either way.
I fucking too.
Yours, you might-
Okay, too. That's all. Well, I took my whole hash brown. Talk about me.
Here, butter milk.
Something like 3 or 4. You finished?
Yeah, bro. That's 4 cookies.
How many are left?
4 cookies.
You want one?
So out of 13, how much is that? Right?
You want a cookie or no?
Sure.
You don't even want to fucking cook
I have. Bitch, I'm still chewing, ho.
Oh, give me half of that one. He's one half. He's one half.
I just want to put it in.
Alright.
Why is Robert more sense now? Did they both get paid yesterday?
I always got bread on my man.
Yeah, but he came.
Let me get somebody to drink. What the fuck?
Wait, y'all see that shit? That shit is aesthetic, bro. No!
What are you doing, bro?
Bro, let's just go show them. It look aesthetic in the sun.
I don't know why I fucking cookies, bro.
You said one and bro took the whole thing. Hey, y'all don't got cookies somewhere.
Y'all know what the cookies?
You want them more?
Well, I haven't gotten none. That's why I'm
Well, agarra, güey.
There's 3 left. Yeah, I already was.
Let me finish my cookie.
Oh,
Can I get some of this?
Hey, let me holler at that frappe, girl.
I was just gonna offer you right now.
I don't usually drink them, but
They're busted.
after the Chips Ahoy one,
Hey, you got no more napkins? Thank you.
Well, I saved the napkins in case. You see that come in handy? The fuck?
you know what? My stomach is fucking.
Will blow?
This bitch is going crazy, bro.
Probably because you mixed all that shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna be in the restroom.
I hope so.
I'm good, bro. I was in the restroom yesterday night. I'm good.
You're like, I already said everything out. Too.
Yeah. Damn, bro. It's gonna take me like until like the end of the day to take this shit.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
No, you're... Bro.